Welcome to the lair of the Batty Boffin.
Hi there Batty fans, it's time for some exam practice here with the Batty Boffin and Batilda the Batty Cat. This one is aimed at GCSE higher level or whatever the equivalent is in your country. Now here we are dealing with vectors today. We have a parallelogram ABCD and some vectors going from O, this point here. A squiggle goes to A, B squiggle goes to B and C squiggle goes to C. And you're given A and B as column vectors here. Now, Batilda is lurking at point A, hunting mice. She spotted one at point B. So, for the first part of this question, could you please express the vector AB as a column vector? So that's AB as a column vector. Off you go, and I'll come back in a minute, we'll go through that together. Right, the journey from A to B is given in terms of squiggles as going backwards along the A vector and then up the B vector. So that is negative the A vector plus the B vector. Okay? Negative the A vector is normal to negative 1 plus the B vector, which is 1, 3. So that gives you a final vector of 3, and negative 1 plus 3 is 2. So to get from here you go 3 along and 2 up. Okay, so that's the journey AB expressed as a column vector, 3, 2. Right, for part B, I would like please to know another vector that is parallel to AB and another pair of parallel vectors, please. Right, the vector AB, the journey here would be the same as the journey at the far end of the parallelogram. It's important that it's a parallelogram because it means that those two lines are parallel, which means, of course, if they're parallel and the same length, then it's the same journey. It doesn't matter where you start from. So AB is equal to DC. Please note that if you put CD, that would be wrong. It has to be starting from D and going to C, not starting from C and going to D. It matters which way you do the journey. So AB is equal to DC. The other pair of parallel vectors are on the other sides of the parallelogram, so you've got CB is equal to DA. Or you could have both of them the other way round. So you can say CB is equal to DA or BC is equal to AD. Either of those is correct, but if you turn around one, you must turn around the other. Okay, so that's part B. For part C of this question, another mouse has appeared at point D over there. Batilda, of course, would like to go hunting over there as well. So please, in terms of the vectors A squiggle, B squiggle and C squiggle, could you please describe the vector AD? We don't need this as a column vector, we just need it in terms of A squiggle, B squiggle and C squiggle. Okay, have a go with that. Right, the problem with AD is that we haven't actually got any vectors going to D directly. So we can't do it actual AD, but we can do the same journey somewhere else. AD is the same as BC. And BC we can do. To get BC, we're going to go minus the B vector, so backwards along the B vector, and then up the C vector. So the answer is negative B plus C, which if you did the same thing starting from A would go negative B plus C and take you up to the mouse at point D. That's the end of this question. Hope you had a bit of fun with that. I will see you next time for a bit more exam practice. Bye for now, Batty fans.
Mwah! Mwah! Mwah!